in terms of cost, such that it does not outweigh their income.
Yes. So okay, no more about monetary policy na my almost can invent for ya. And when you could do that level, yeah, it is a central bank no in your one. Now, so I want to need the engineering to me a year the war, no go baba won't go to cover for some can go inflation. The can go here money and go, the can go here repurchase agreement. And when the coba, that is here, central bank in your way, but we'll have policies of the Addison. I said, we buy and 2022 become Addison Cheremy. I catch them say, what were your policies of it? And when I read through it, I saw say, it is still a policy solvent organization.
And can any ordinary commercial bank ever to me are operating with negative equity?
Debbie. Say, no. The negative equity, no. Number one, the amount the bank of Ghana for because several individual for Sika. It is a Sika yet. Now you're negative quality. When the come to for financial business. That's the difference. When we a business entity, and when you say to say when we a regulatory entity, when we a regulatory banking, finance, inflation. No company would exist on equity like Bank of Ghana exists. But by this time, you call liquidation. You started call liquidation.
Oh, okay. Dr. Rich, what is Dr. Rich, what is Mamina was say, Oma Hokwama. Yeah, but what said some catch on say, one of these days, just pass through. Let's have one on one.
There is no free lunch. About woman free lunch.
And you know, before you go, finally, how would you rate Dr. Siama, the governor of the Bank of Ghana, the performance? How would you rate it?
He is doing humanly possible. Looking at the situation of that 22.3%. Over two currency rate next year 14. Until we start 7 rating now.
Wow. Because monetary policy is not the main, Juma.
And this is it. What be too much? What be too much? That's a man now going to PhD now, but
Dog, baby, that was it. And maybe I mean, sure. Dr. Rich, what you are here in Amotin and Kano, a banking consultant in Ghana. Mamma Konamima, Abo Backman. Akwaba. He's an economist. He's a financial person.
And that day he was really excited about my
your submissions. That's a bohunye is you.
Actually, the reserve bit now.
Yeah.
Same there. Actually, the reserve bit now.
Yeah.
Same there. Since a gold board no water, gold.
Yeah.
From minus, like we want to put gold producers in gold board to gold if you want. But this is what happens. So gold board or to gold a fee. Obiala or gold or bottom at the forex bureau price.
That's about 12 cedis per dollar.
Gold board bottom forex bureau price. But Bank of Ghana so or record one books ma on to use forex bureau rate, although use interbank rate.
Interbank rate.
Interbank rate is
bare tens.
Into our formation forex bureau, into a gold in a record in accounting loss.
Oh, okay.
That's and you be born below a top gold think of for a cotton. But the gold in a try, and for reserves. But gold in a try, a ton at a price or your forex bureau rate. But I record that into me use that rating for record because Bank of Ghana our interbank official rate, which is lower than or your forex bureau no. Into only accounting loss. A recording about my book. Do you get the point? Until no so come. And now about sir.
No, there be that Okachem say will record their waboka. In reality, no waboka. What gold no aboarding.
Oh,
mama. Baby, o ba ko to na boss.
Oh, te. Oh, on ya na se sam. Accountant biso biala. Yeah. Biko entase. Say you. Oh, big. What friend accounting loss? Big. What friend accounting loss?
Big. Wait, you have it. Double try. You have your 10. Until my until that what say?
Answer your son. So one out to go doing now. To go that Forest Bureau rate. No, what it talk?
Okay, you have to Forest Bureau rate, you know. 12 cities. Yeah. Then you Peggy Bank of Ghana there, so
10 cities. Yes. Yeah. Into say a record say eto gold na.
Me turn 12 cities now. Na my Bible record your Bank of Ghana book mu.
Say yeah, gold board not to gold no. Gold board ni gold not no. Bank of Ghana keep account. But in accounting of Bank of Ghana and financial account no. Bank of Ghana own to use Forest Bureau rate on fine year recording on account. Na wabada ankasa wo na ankasa ni interbank rate. Inti no, the 2 cities no is gone. It is called accounting loss. Bisobia, e ntase so amntase.
Ba enti eboy.
No, another example.
Debi. Ebo hono mentem ho ase.
Okay, from Dr. Trying. Debi.
I'm a politics, Mister. Me I'm a politics. Debi, let's just say gold board in the Bank of Ghana and Kasano.
Inti
aye gold no mo ko top ra no
I have fraud
debi anya fraud
lack of understanding on tax
debi anya fraud but is that not causing financial loss to the state?
It is not causing financial loss.
Na me kwa koto ade me ma kwa koto ade no at 12 cities na me be record on books ma me record at 10 cities
because a recording at the current exchange rate
na adentina
obia anyiwa auto go dey fiawo obotonte obutu interbank rate. It is never done. Forest rate was so not as in pedemia profit interbank rate already there. If you like the minimum rate in ya bank simple win your profit on by interbank rate no nti auto oboto no at Forest Bureau because also according to your profit.
Yeah.
What 9.6.
But allow him. You have your 10.
What cotton gold? Your profit 9.6 billion.
Yeah.
Are you getting it?
Yeah.
It is called accounting loss or reserves.
Yeah, and okay.
Or foreign denominated assets.
Yeah, CD now about form no.
CD appreciate
yeah. Boka. Your value no so.
If you know the appreciation of the CD, it's good for the entire economy. No, it's a loss in the books of Bank of Ghana.
And then okay.
Because of currency revaluation.
And okay.
The issue or yazo
and then okay.
Na my church room there. On your operational loss. These are accounting loss.
Which is acceptable.
No, that is the norm. That is the norm. You see, what Bank of Ghana, if you want to know the Bank of Ghana, what was in a constitution, I think 183 or so.
Yeah,
the constitution.
Their mandate. No?
The mandate of the Bank of Ghana. Bank of Ghana is not profit making organization.
Yeah, name.
Bank of Ghana, but don't know why I'll say they share their economy no. One, inflation to that.
Interest rates
then
policy rate
exchange
rate
ono na ebi jana baka the Bank of Ghana na mandate yen ono a shock absorber
sure
azan chobo to Ghana from Ghana fu nyina abren na ozi no waje it say inflation so 123 into what will be the effect on Ghanaians.
All right, thank you so much.
If the exchange rate or the one of 14 and 15 into what will be the effect on the economy mostly no oil import dominated atasa intina mesena yan hwe adza constitution as Bank of Ghana on ye yan hwe that 1 year ya was it to me money why ye ya intina yes na yan economy we stabilize anamboa
yeah
because inflation about 3.2 exchange rate see the why isn't and no yazin ya or your cost or your loss in the books of Bank of Ghana, you know that.
Yeah, I know.
Nti and you do know what or depreciate is one so a loss.
Or depreciate is one.
You know, and so another side of it. The opposite of what I told you.
All right, that's
Nti there's always a there. Young share the Bank of Ghana. Is it being a good shock absorber or bad? Hey, because situation at that time, you know, demanded there obey the margin.
Inflation was 50 something.
Are you getting it? Into what you need in nature, you know, slant inflation was sold. Exchange rate in so or basa. Interest rate was sold. So comparatively, you know, why be there? Say actual figures in the last one's about 9 point something, right? 2024, right? But other in isolation, other in relation to inflation at the time, interest rate at the time,
policy rates,
exchange rate at the time. Into session, them a boon there, governing. One managing them.
All right, Mammy Nas, and you know, yeah, bar. May come in one bus, Bigo. I really
am on church and accounting loss now on you now. On church, Mohammed Ganti.
Bigo.
What's Amazon on church?
I for your cobric abasis here, and then you school kakra. Bigo, I know you are reorganizing your thoughts to come out harder on a Bubakman. On the.
I don't know. Yasman is on over here.
I will get them foreign call. Hello, Papa. What about to be a new? Sasa say me feel London, echo US. Eh, na no crowd who crowd from me ba mania. Na papa mo hot say. Awurade aduma haboko. Na ko jejesi. Echo basem penemu. De woton adansi ho niam no so. Wo hye ho de. Oh, wo hye ho. Echo ba. Mesi wo boduma kra sre kane no a. Na wodro US won so manfo bo ndin sa na. Eh, papa US hakura de. Na ko jejesi company limited age ba bia. Wo mo Holland, Germany, France, Italy, London, Canada. Eba adansi sempremo no onye mereda hwe we kura no miensam a ene obi en foforo yawo ba ko obu akwase paase kumase ene ba ko so pokura se nkran ha obi ase na na kodwogasi eye bemaba e wadansi mu waton cement iron rods banding wires and adua plywood and just said about dance so te se bibia e de hye adansi ase de ko wie depo no nyina so eye tufo bo wodu kuka mu a wodu kodwa free Akra we Kaswa depo ene pokura se de no kra to nchen a wo sa wo bu akoteman Tantra Hill Iron City Amanfrom wasa bie depo kese so e wo Koshiman Kumasi sepase depo no kra da nchen a ebisu magazine road head office no wa bie depo kese so e wo da de ntam edwesu Accra road femeso opposite Alaji Celia ampaba meboshen Tanoso Breman and Amanfrom number so man for the free 0244 313 752 and 0244 41 9393 Nana Kujesi Company Limited. Hey,
in the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwambo.
Oyunyankupon di fa wastrano eweye brim. Enam nensaso ama onyankupon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach you SOMPA First Service. Our home enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ni asasi hia. Eye bro onyankupon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
SOMPA First Service encha wo hu hoda eya dwada kusi efiada anopa no nunkusi anopa no nsie fa woda no nyina share densa na erade beye
Ewra me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bag ni
bra aden enen so biem
time heba me hye ya me ka se yi ba kun ane wayi me yensen
bra sanya time heba me hya esia gyimi ni me fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen
we de udi se ofa ni nyina
time heba me hya me ka se me di one dance ya heaven ene de me kwa akopie enti se malaria we draw ne time heba mixture
enye enunku o de nanum ato a wontimi anidie no time heba mixture duro no ene ye ma oba a wafa afuro de o ma akwada nofo ene akwada woni mfie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi se obeto aduro yi bi anoma hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab am ye hu se wo atridie malaria yi bi ansa se o petam heba mixture enu dudu atu a fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo emrom Abidjan House ana baako so wo Atonsu Monaco Junction.
Eno echi obenya bi atowo over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop dodo na emu.
Fre 0244 417669.
Kayo set time no TIME time herbal mixture afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo mu no betu akọ.
FDA agi adwade nkratoa yi atu.
Hajia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne ye wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese wedding akese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hajia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de enti e friend local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo atentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se eya abontine aduane edi yenye ne bisa dabi Hajia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese ayi ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra Hajia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyi Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hajia special local food pese wo fra eye 024 63 59921 024 63 59921 and answer 059 479 7215 eye 059 479 7215 for na with them 21st clinic eye sciatica expert sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma gye no Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu gye international awards ahodo wo mu gye local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gye 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibidro ene besa o ya no ma sa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo ma gye din wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo fi enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na se 21st clinic still wo mu ye sciatica expert yes kan ye ho biemu Joe's bread and pastries no ye de Joe's hot kenke aba dokono papa no afei na wo bekojo akototo aburo abetwa ho sente ababe ye dokono akoton wo bra Joe's hot kenke e wo ho eye 3 Ghana cedis per o say price no wo betu na wo kwa na akoton eno no se wonya woni ma na wo de aboso enti sabre die introducing Joe's hot kenke ye de aburo papa e ho twa ene ye de aye baby aye no nso e ya ho ne die nko a highly clean environment ene no achi no obo ade nsa no naturally nice and it tastes good enti ye comfort the amount say Joe's hot kenke mo amoto dokono nyina e ma mo ncha mo ho biem e ma mo mra biem mo metum free ye nchen e ye 3 Ghana cedis per Joe's bakery dome ye wo commercial bank echi ho no a say wo pedodo atu ha na wo frɛ 025 60688832 and you say dear Joe's hot kenka benti and one say wo betu ya na wo dia kwa kosi wo kona ho na wo ton Joe's hot kenke ye dia bawo pona no we eye hot
Abushafo yekwaso mama kwa baba SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and Country. We are looking at a Bank of Ghana's financial statement for the year 2025. Mamin called aminti a bigo makwa about say.
Oh, Major so.
What ye the earlier speakers?
Yes.
What ye Dr. Tuahene, what ye Backman,
the politician.
Sir, or a politician.
Oh, I say more can I say a politician.
Then no kind of
Munya. You are truth man or the truth no kind. No truth. Truth fact and figures.
Allow me.
Look, let me tell you.
Yet you.
What why accounting that no? Obeka Chow say prepare accounting statement.
Sure.
one thing I say we dream when they say nipa na the user of the accounting statement have reasonable knowledge. So just don't think say nipa na all breaking kind wajimi. It was sorry now the bibia kwashishem na on the command say on kan waji atum.
Nyama ben no mo dia hihye.
Me I am counting principle na me ka kira no man can say obi di bibia she bibim. Me state principle no.
Allow me.
Or say the user of the financial have reasonable knowledge and understanding.
Okay.
And have the capacity to read, to go through and
which accounting
principle? I go and read your IS. They say that accounting principle is the preamble to accounting. What I say, so anybody who is studying accounting, this is the first thing you must know.
But what's the allow him.
What I say, or say the user of the financial state has reasonable knowledge. And you ban be jana be can say be actually say accounting loss and or you say no kotono the 10 cedis na or ba be record 2 cedis masa ayen system.
Okay, Nyabotre. Nyabotre. You are talking about obia or onim accounts prepare biano. I was on your reasonable knowledge.
Almost the may say the user
of
who prepare financial statement na akomo bi. They are users of financial statements, and that's why from stakeholders.
Okay, that's right.
The users of you have a government, you have the public, you have investors, you have suppliers. They are what we call the users of financial statements.
Okay, so put your Nyabotre.
Don't think they are stupid. That is what the accounting will tell you. They have reasonable knowledge.
Bank of Ghana for a prepare one more accounts. The users no and a more.
Discuss.
And you know, who fees say yes. Dear woman no nada.
Me I saw make a ultima.
Oh, so you almost spinning statement.
They are spinning for us. To tell us, oh, and I lost the buy, because Obiakoto gold 15 cedis, and Bank of Ghana recorded 10 cedis, and lost no there. Yes, I never. So when you do that, yes, you are telling an answer story. Okay, you are assuming say we kind of an answer story.
Okay, so what do you know that we don't know?
And I may tell say, first of all,
okay,
there is no way. What idea with 10 cedis? What trace camera receipts? Obama record a book, Musa method 5 cedis.
But
it will never end. Okay. It is when you are preparing. It is when you are preparing your financial statement. Yo, that's a do revaluation because our asset way that ho. What you say? And that's a company way. SOMPA. SOMPA wo cars. What you say? Cars no last year. Ebia motor car no ebia 500,000 depreciation a channel this year etino say who the cost no of the car no eba be she book eba be ye we na o fa 500 now the koto ye no and be she book mu na mom no you will deduct your depreciation from cost na to ye no and no your friend no and no na ye can say ebia we record no so what I say because there have been depreciation on the car. So that your financial statement will reflect the depreciation on the car now. But you will state to say, "Auto car no 500,000." And then depreciation 10% at channel. Depreciation 10% at channel. Depreciation 10% at channel. And then 50,000 a free show. And they say car no value 450,000. But who got gold there? Gold. That's a gold, no boy. 10 cedis. That's a bassa all record the value of the gold. And now I can say gold no boy by 4 cedis. Is that what you are telling me? Maybe I think I can know. Because you have to record how much you bought the gold. Say, Sika would toy because receipt to What I said, the auditors will look at store any receipt, you know. But it is when you are revaluing the asset of the gold now or reserve, you know, or revalue. And I say, check the actual cost of the gold, you know. And I'll be stated say, yeah, assets are what the gold, you know, boy, you say. And what happened at this way? I just having the two Bank of Ghana. What they were doing was that they were trying to manage inflation, at the exchange rate and so on. Bank of Ghana, that is what they do. They have to advise the government. It's a matter of how to, objectives, the economic objectives behind. They say you manage inflation, exchange rate, reduce unemployment, and then you make sure say there is economic growth. These are the 4 major objectives of every government. So what you say? And the Bank of Ghana no only the end say advising the government of the day as to how to use fiscal policy and monetary policy to balance these things. So what you say? And in the process of managing inflation, we know the operations now we are now from the open market operations in that process, you know, that is when the losses came about. What you say? And the loss in here, so I got to gold 12 cities no about record 10 cities.
But honey, ye kasafa the open market operation laws.
So I don't say and the doctor no kind.
How does it operate?
How does it okay? Because you see the thing is that you want to, you see, if you want, for example, to control inflation interest rate, for example, open say inflation, that's all scarcity system no man. One thing you do is that you try to reduce the interest. You try to increase the interest rates.
There be. Yeah, that mommy.
Because the more people,
our listeners are listening.
The more people go to the bank, the more people go to the bank and take money and bank. You know, that is where there's too much money in the system.
Wait,
Debbie say, Debbie cannot.
There will come.
As
a chakra.
Nyabutre.
You can say open market operations. Skadodo system. Na Bank of Ghana ape kwan bi so aton ne bills e dey ama banks in
and I'm telling you yes what is can and how you do it's true the interest rate where is it
was it through the interest rate
me say your policy
it is a higher
your policy initiative because so a person on this cafe system no more what he will do now he say obema higher interest rates through the banks, so that instead of to bank, so that the bank I will get interest.
Sure.
And to be sick as
now.
Just cannot have a system. Bank. Why you disagree with me? And I'm saying, these are some of the things that the banks do. What you say? Some people say inflation back for more. Oh, because it's too much money
in the system.
Chasing fewer goods, you know. And they use this policy.
And my price is costly.
Yes, to take the money so that Sika Emma system, and then look go to the Obiabeka just say Sika this system. Me say me this for supporters and no do say go to su ma.
But any better not better than
Masa, e go for to say e come do. No, security system no. But to the bia.
But prices are stabilizing.
Start me say ko
prices are stabilizing.
To me no yen talk. You see economic cycle no. Economic cycle no. You're trying to business cycle. In economics, you're trying to business cycle.
All right, that's fine.
I don't know why economics. Yeah, na economics. Oh, but business cycle, you say.
All right.
You say. My own said me say economy. Normally there is a downturn. When there is a downturn, that is why you turn economy now is sluggish. What you say? Just say, them not a bino and the policy aba to boost the economy. So just say, when that happens, you know, I feel people see coming back for bottom. No market. No do drama and a business here day. Now cost quantity a bad there will be an upturn. Now economy now start pija. Now pija they could do through baby. I heard now say inflation must begin to rise a little bit.
Yeah.
And the who catch them say who the inflation about 1%, 2%. Me no but because that doesn't tell me say the economy is doing well.
Wait. My name is a question.
Inflation will begin to go up a little bit. And there is an upturn. And the upturn they could do baby inflation no be getting some.
My name is a question way.
It's
still on inflation. It's still on inflation. Is inflation wrong? Maybe so. Is inflation a measure of the standard of living in our country?
No, it's not a measure of standard of living, but inflation helps you, say, to be able to plan your life. Unim say, and cost at this rate, and I say, and
our prices in cost
so you can plan your life. And we say, oh, me the way better say. So whatever money that you have, you are able to plan it. What you say?
Inflation has a relationship.
Okay, all right, no problem. I don't. This not a matter of debate for me.
All right.
But I make sure to say, in real economic management, you know, when inflation comes down, when inflation comes down to that low, you know, say, in Kofu say,
scale
system, now government must do something about it and make sure there is an upturn in the economy.
And inflation costs.
And it should go up a little bit. Negatives, okay, but at least 5% be. So they are saying, so that at least the system business people will now have confidence in businesses. What you say? Businesses will begin to make money. Businesses will now make monetary policy to bring down the inflation again. Na asa perform kakra. Na asa kosoro kakra. You don't expect sell because inflation no for 4 years and I said how many years have buy? Emba from say 0. Then what catch am say oh yeah dey to be more sem ma. If you do that me you are destroying the economy. And this is what has created the problem now. Kukura be gu ye kon aye ntimi ntwa.
E ka be na be gu ye kon.
50 point something billion you not go for buy. I don't know go for buy say the topic you not buy.
Now they be
I get no more year to make sure say inflation number down anyway no. They are spending money. That money now take care of. That money should have gone into the pockets of the people to expand and create businesses and do a lot of things. I don't know I come back this. And you better try to catch me say, Uber trying to say something me say, and you go to go 10 cities. I don't better do 5 cities. Who will buy this? Who will buy this?
You know, Who buy
this another story?
Nyabutre. Entitama mo abemu 2022 mo boka 60 billion.
Now inflation you saying, inflation.
Now more inflation you saying.
This I would but certain inflation you saying.
Inflation 54%.
Thank you. And to make a will say inflation it cost to do baby. Now government
must inflation 54%. That one and then the car boy 60 billion.
What is bogus about this analysis?
No, I have one-sided analysis. The one-sided analysis is not here. The only time the government I'm coming. The only time government also inflationary inflation is when you have enough supply or production. Because inflation is only caused by the demand side.
Yes.
I'm coming. You have listen, you have two main causes of inflation. We have cost push and demand pull. Yes. So demand is pulling. Demand is pulling the price.
Yeah.
Are you getting it? If you have enough cost push, if you can reduce cost of production, expand production, have more supply, what it means is that if people have money will not chase fewer goods.
Sure.
Because now you have enough goods in the system. But as we stand, no prudent manager of the economy will allow inflation to go up when you have not had you've not made provision on the supply side.
With this policy,
that is why the first thing they did was to tackle the demand side of the economy to control money supply because so you don't have enough supply to match up our demand.
Taking the money out.
Okay.
How will the supply come? If you are pulling the money from the system.
Oh no.
Factors of production. Factors of production. You need land. You need labor. You need capital. And the entrepreneurial spirit, and that's entrepreneurship. Now you are taking the money out. So where is the capital to produce, to get the goods that best supply now and then meet this way now?
But the banks have money to
NSC form.
That's the story.
May I say, Abusha for SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. Roger Mamiti on this particular issue. Roger Patomiti saw microphone on my way. Roger, me bato saw microphone na kasa my way. Me yet you.
Abochi.
Yeah.
Ira huama Captain Biko.
Aden.
Ejuma na yedin ajini se. Oh, Captain Biko.
I wanted to watch accounting laws.
I would get into it.
In fact, so sad, people who have mismanaged this economy abysmally now want to pose as people who understand economics and feel say they are better managers of an economy. I as a driver, I had a car kita, or they are pimpima, they are to pit mu, falling into a dungeon. Now and there, we say, when our chief driver and TMO Formula 1. We say will be a Formula 1 or quasi exploit, no, we say 10 and no, smooth, in the Enfa, Stiano, and Mount. Oh, Mr. Ramo, Kovikanata, and Yumuno, Omgutini ye, Irade Majistiano. Now, Abochi.
Yes, me too.
Oh, Captain Biko, explanation on my he has said a lot of nothing.
You can't say that.
In my report here.
No problem.
Oh, and I say my making because all catch there say accounting loss and economic indicators your friend is saying 3% inflation and meaning say economy no well. Then what is your definition of economics? And now when Bawumia was saying when the fundamentals are weak, where were you? Are you telling me inflation is not a fundamental component of an economy? Is that what Captain Biko Ekas is here? Make a choice MPP for yes, more read the economics maybe, but more than your home accounts.
Don't you mean Kasa?
Make us because basic economic models keke, economic elements keke, unti you cannot apply it. Now tana has a quack analysis say then what do we write home about the economics you studied? It's either say one class or and I say when your economics teacher papa. I've not started. Hold on.
Business cycle.
Oh, I am.
Business cycle. Business cycle.
Now,
what I'll do that for you.
Abochi.
Our listeners are very discerning.
Yes.
Yeah.
Abochi.
Yes.
Nanka, ubetumi agogo constitutional mandate of BOG. Good. Now say aban no ekita sa BOG ekita sa mandate ne say obey use policies and dey regulate and control the economy to make sure say economy no enye den engine. And managing the economy will have to come at a cost. And it's coming at a cost, no?
15 billion.
Oh.
Our 16 billion.
Billion.
Okay. So it's at a cost. I'm saying 15 billion.
Managing the economy, prudent management of the economy, especially using interventionary measures, will come at a cost. Now, only one good thing. BOG is not a profit-oriented organization.
No, correct.
And that's an institution.
It is true.
And they have the legitimate duty to intervene so that they would ease the pressure, sir. Eba, omai, neso, what you say? in easing the pressure no a bit to say injecting money to support the exchange rates a bit to say government taking initiatives ebe sake the amount of money in circulation in the economy. That is how come obetumi use bibi to say open market operation where the central bank would have to use T-bills, bonds and other instruments to suck the money that is in the system or to inject more in the system. Injection will come at a cost, sucking would come at a cost. However, whatever you do, the government would have to spend. At the long run, what is the focus of it? Easing the burden on the populace. That is the focus. What I say? It's a kabia obebolo. The ehia say Ghana economy no enye sound.
But I'm for say scare the system no ready for complaining and ton wade.
Ye ka say economy e sounder. Ye patch say pressure the way anyama ye betutum by heart. The way sika we di wudwa enhye. The way enyama obekwa koto no any difficult to assess the produce.
Traders are complaining say yen ton wade. I'm for so complaining say omu niska mo de be kudwem.
Was I'm for complaining say omu niska.
There's no money in the system.
Do you have empirical?
Oh yes, they have videos all around.
Wait.
Before complaining.
You are saying videos. Good. Omatiti salaries also.
There be
disposable economy. Abine say ye economy in a way so that usika na we nya no salary no. Inflation anya den anje if you say mtiska no e wa hounding.
Anya obi na your salary do worker.
No, but everybody earn one way or the other. You earn your own money. It's if inflation is if inflation edging sema, then you will need a lot of money to go and buy fewer goods. Now let's come back to normal living condition and another living environment. Captain Biko, I know say own driving, right? Own driving. MPP, thank you. Let me not even go there. So on driving, even consumables. The price of rice bag under the ex-wild Akufo-Addo Bawumia, when they claim they spend 60 billion to sustain an economy which inflation was 53-54. At that time, a more yet 900 cedis. That time, no, see, I had 350 cities.
A mobile yet on the 350 cities.
Oh, wait.
There you got me. And one of the outcome of the set on the best 67. Oh, Debbie.
I was buying 25 kg. 200 millicent.
Oh, God is watching you. God is watching you.
And then they told 400.
God is watching you.
Every time was what? 240 cedis.
December 2024.
Yes, 2024.
Me ba to fair producer na mo fair market women na mama.
Oh,
mo fair market women.
Ya ye bi wa brother.
Yes, ya ba fair market. Ya ba fair office.
I was buying it at 240 cedis.
O say
millicent
December. Now turn the same.
Me
so turn the same. Uto di same.
240 Ghana cedis.
Okay, and I say see how turn the same.
400 Ghana cedis.
Mini bag no.
25 kg.
25 kg no.
Yes. Last year exposed. 25 kg.
Abochi.
So don't be kuku.
Abochi, mami ntia me sabi. Abochi, unim ye nuanu me omuti plantain chips, omuti bofruit.
Aye.
Na omudi dwa we ye some of the practical things daily obi ti kra mo kra o say mamenji ba ko no kra nde wa wibo fruit not high angwa ye de chibo fruit no under omo administration ekoya 2004 per gallon 25 liters no 1004 you see how many neti has say because of a prudent management of the economy they are neighbor the empire 600
that's also another force. Yes. Rising
Would
oil rose, but it came down before 2024.
I'll confirm from the market very soon.
Okay, thank you. Because of prudent management and the work of the central bank, making sure say the pain, the burden, and inflicted on Ghanaians, no, it has been taken off through their policies no and make sure say yenya stable currency inflation eda kama bibia eda kama ewe economy no mu ema sisi ya no that same oil the same quality the same quantity enam 600 cedis. You can see the magnitude of change. The difference is clear. Now so omoka se central bank I inject and I say use bibi e dia support here uhwe omo control inflation. The management of liquidity in the banking sector. Where there are moment time banking sector crisis no ekofa bae e na bibia ye kodu ye. Sisi ano Ghana ni businessman bia koda na wada because on himself currency no has been stabilized. Interest rate apart from what I say no bien say the central bank is the lender of last resort. It is hard to maintain no doing them no will come at a cost. Obia nim say abansika and head bedding yedi eye. Na abochi mama ma etie for no nya no practical nature.
All right.
Dollar ho eye din dwedifo esu. Aban say we have pegged it at this rate. Ekabia aban ebebo bia no that margin no aban absorb it. Etina all these strict lines etoto ho say the oba beto dollar ni bia e make sure say all the koye dia aka say all the kwakoye den eye. Itino on my strict guidelines and also make sure say monitoring and proper monitoring and evaluation o man no benya so eden in fact so itina wo kradi we or say we invoice no fabra ansa na next time betnya krabi mu a obetnya eden asaso akra it mesre say captain biko bebi omko omo economics class no omo sanko for refreshment and I say orientation.
Debbie can say one in your drink. That's all.
Debbie
can say one in your drink.
Okay. Mr.
It is for the listener out there to decide.
But learning.
You can't say that.
Okay. Freedom of speech. Now,
but you see for
Mr. Swakane say, if the central bank no have negative equity, and no na terminal as accounting loss. What you say? Because I was say odin juma ebema ti me move for no iron ahanhan omo na say we di juma no pepepe na so ma hwe sa sika na eno no nkire say boni bi iron aba na me pese me analysis comparing their almost 60 billion loss no e na yen ye 15 billion loss no sisi a eja bi e wo fie eja mienu e wo fie omu nyina wo mba ena baako aton ebusuan ejapade anase ebusuan egudie edi ne ba akọ school e make sure say nkwala no abobra abeye ni patitro e wo oman mu ena baako soso aton oman no ebusuan ejapade anase ebusuan egudie ena odi aye party de twa omonum spelele omuni ni aton ejapade baako kra aton bebre ena ba konton ketwa but the oton ketwa no ne mba no edi yie ne mba no ayeye abochi hwan na abobra
what the difference
mami enase mami nawase mami ndase on this particular note but Roger, I want you to take a listen to what Honorable Kojo Ponkruma says and react.
Ya waden mre and a Bank of Ghana accounts are 2025 Ejua Bank of Ghana di nyina ya wade nyumre na ode beto abonten na ansa no de beba no Bank of Ghana de ni account no de koma NDC political party so mo no monye press conference no mo announce account sadia we bin sida fiti Ghana independence bin sida san say mrada kwan Bank of Ghana account e fa on publish it account na ready e ma finance minister within 3 months. Now, finance minister aircraft to so the about parliament. Where the man yenisa, omiyewe and the command NDC party. It is a more NDC communicators, any MP snipping the bid now have a press conference about announce Bank of Ghana accounts. I didn't see that. You know, na ye governor, any board no
any a buying kokose. Politics now say on the Rural Bank of Ghana no. Ebe to me, I'm a bank nankasa ego. So yes, sra omanyado. Omunyi politics ni fi Bank of Ghana edwuma no. No mo professionals na wo ho no. Enye edwuma no. Mo boka mo fa account ni meto abonten na mo nka.
Ajiroja, say yes, what the Bank of Ghana for your politics says what rabo ko job on
Bank of Ghana was your politics. Oh, and I maybe sana. Ni bakono ni aban na edwuma. Enti no decisions are all taken is in line with government policies. What does it? Enti no say onye politician near the
but he makes a point say ansana Bank of Ghana for financial statement.
Oh, for mo dia jandam
mo di kan dia akoma the majority side. Now mo dia ba to but is that a practice?
Oh no, me say omo pe jandam. That is not what was done. Me see kojo opompo mana ka kan wie na ka betina TV so ebe meti amano omo west na ka ya debate argue out there omkram ko ball 40 something and na ka kan 40 something no ka kan me see MPP for no has lost credibility yen to putogum omo say sentokwafo no na so akeka
me da say me pato 15 minutes more to 5 o'clock. SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and countries in the be lines not to now so do I drink abba. But yanko tie Dr. Mahmoud Baumia over the weekend. Na yenti honorable Esiedun Ketia on settings on set some statements they've made. Me battle. Let's take Dr. Mahmoud Baumia.
Na mosquito, but almost say onyamba, but me kwa say me bana me hunwa, me nkanchira no say omo hwehwe no. Na cashew ekriafo omusi men kanjira se dun ketia se omudi omoka ebro ekwa ekriafo omusi men kanjira ne se omudi omoka ena soybean ekriafo se men kanjira omuse ritre no omubenya ejuma no omudi omoka na Ghana fo nyina se men kanjira ne se dumso no omudi ababium no omudi yanka bebre.
All right,
Inti oba momfasa message no mafa manu mami. Na we there na mosquito but almost say onyamba but me kwa obeba but me ba no omoma me message mprofo be ma me message say me ba na me hu no a me nka nkyira no say omo hwehwe no na koko ekwiafo omo say me nka nkyira ne say omo di omo ka cashew ekwiafo omusi men kanjira se dun ketia se omudi omoka ebro ekwa ekwiafo omusi men kanjira ne se omudi omoka ena soybean ekwiafo se men kanjira omuse omudi omoka mabunu se omu 24 hour economy no 133 no omubenya ejuma no omudi omoka na Ghana fo nyina se men kanjira ne se dumso no omudi ababium no omudi yanka bebre inti oba momfasa message no mafa manu mami na
se minu anuma wo mo adika ba wo mpese wo mo dane asori nhia mu sei ede ya amanyosem no mo mo mpaye na mo mfa wo mo bone enche wo mo.
All right, and Dr. Mahmoud Baumia over the weekend wabra na SDA4 Edin Shemu. Na omo inviting mpanyimfo we mu. Na omo nyina akopie dwumadi na ase. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia etu esiedu ketia enkra. Se Ghana for kasa. Koko Ekwia kasa, Edwadi for kasa se aban edi omo ka titu ene Koko Ekwia. Na esiedu ketia so kasa. Baby omo abegina wo mo on this one.
Oh, for that for today, ncha asem na maka na biko kada onya no kwaro. Accounting loss na ncha se there. You know as a tire pa ncha ekokọ hwehwom. Na ekache na cheche no because and some na waka na azin bi wo mentase. Aw ye bafanda ma. Na eja asem nyi there. Papa say dun katia. Aka asem nyina. SDA fu no was reason one anniversary. And when you invite to the brassy, and chair kwasa, oh, a croye or do a preach a cansama, Oma, Chade, I said a penina, a gina pulpit to Drakasa. You know, on your campaign platform. Niki gina da attituism. Ghana ha. Koko ni kur abrante kro na okade Mr. Mahama odianka cashew fum bakan if e won what soya bean bakan e gigina pulpit do pulpit agakan sama onya no kro nyina aka na pulpit do mfoso bia anyo nye dam na penyina kasa nye bebiala na wogina why politics occasion bia na asama osede eka asama tobi na komado okada papi wa kasa mosi oka na kasa fa kroya ho Ghana numpuntu na aze na efiki gina na asema okeke wala hwa asemi nanyo infanti bagada asemi nanyo hwa asemi nanyo hwa imfa na I'm happy there ora say dun kata bakasa no wona ambo osende se nam na se obi browa obi abro funam manyi bi kokoma wa abro funama ebe fi anaze wo nyu be ba wo yiro kitchen as when you be banado mese mama tetew mu tem o tetew mu no ase na gaze as when you be banado o man be fitting response the baby gina yi on your politics nti na ye ba ha o nyame na asem nti na ye bo ho nti se abaka kan asama o chere de wala egitum de ebigina nyame you are in the presence of God speaking to his people.
Okay, so you wait the esiedu ketia ekato aso ni
ye ni muse ba bibia ene ana enhiamu bia wo ne botae eju bia bonte na oyonko kobo bonti mi amono wa bo pasa na uba edi wani bre ebe si wo yere so wo jaade a Ejade kwanswa eno tini biano yabasra aswaro se minu anu ma wo ma di ka ba wo pese wo mu dale asori nsi amu se ede ya amanyo se no mo mo paye na mo mfa wo mo bone ensere
ejire ebo bakwan de wo kan
nti ontweye ba omya onyimo no wotunofo ono wotunofo sa fudu pa na onyimo no kaka da ma asem na mo kaka za na no wanya ate ono wotunofo wonye nkasa penyin nye bebia na egina ya amanyosam aka so da bibim so okro program bi ma okafre President Mahama Malam John no so da ma de President Mahama ombutuba no be Muslim no obe Muslim obo Malam John chede bibi gina bia no o se de hwe azo o se de eka asama eka obama bibi gina no mfoso aba ho mo ye izi ontweye oye nyimgu asesam na mpp from ye fa mo just the way no ho de ntenyi yen candidate ya e fa no ho
sa
nche ma ka temo so ye otubu or tubu
tubu na say
ko ya kasra yin canon boss no man fan no what to akoto ship man wa sink ship on phone tubun or you wait on the shoulders of the party.
All right, so Mamintio Roger on this one.
Abochi. But essentially SDF Shiemu and Omoko Yentino. My started with Bible and then I also come Bible beyond
Patrick
yeah, and to kind a First Chronicles chapter 12 verse 32 or say for the sons of Issachar or for the children of Issachar, they shall cause exploit because they know the times and the seasons. What I say? Nanka Issachar dear, Nanka Seba whom you are familiar with the scripture. Now, what me descend they say the way I a chairman a kind in Shimubia I want a purpose. I had to say doctors for Asia now can law useless. And I say engineers Asia. Now
that's a way a platform no nya no dey.
It's not yes see for the sons of Issachar because they understand times and seasons. Or catch it say acquiring knowledge and application of knowledge are two different things. What I say? It's when you follower of Baumia alone. Baumia is a representation of the masses. Now, it's a clear indication. So, now, that is who they are. They are thinking. They are not able to discern timings and seasons. Now, it's a more in Kabum. Oniado bakoye when plan some greetings back biakoye eniado biakoye nka we sua sa line ne pepo na nka wo ni hwe ka na nka waka se bakoye na no so age so oniado what you say and I say wa pe omo nyum bako na nka wato na nka omo say oh si nka wo be fie na kwatena on mo se kokofo adan content creation Ghana phobia so ensuma na mo ko asori program no masesa party flags say bio mo kwakoye rally.
That's all your opposition leader.
Na MPP for the organize church service no. Omo fro say mbra na yembe yina mo the party flags colors air courts they am
but when NDC for money be
bibi say we know how to discern times and seasons. Now honorable Johnson as you doing get yakọ hormone no. Okohodmo as an XDA member. Oko as party chairman. NDC flags fly all. We know how to discern times and season. In penifo of ye. Omo guide young for omo guide ye leaders. Party nankazangasa aye sankwans. Intino Captain Biko eti hasia onfa caution koma MPP. Leaders and especially Baumia management titrio, they are not doing the man any good because he is not able to determine where he is standing. The church now can say ya, and they invite to a club there. They are no Ebeye West, and I say a music platform so
debut.
Ebeye West
debut. Me, I don't see anything wrong.
You don't see
with the Baumia can at the program.
You are not able to. So are you telling me you are not able to discern times and seasons?
Oh, but the beauty say amanyo someday. Or say and cry the amano. And when you have opportunity.
No.
And say don't get your hoba. Was it going for the demand? Was it going for the demand? No, was it going for the
demand? Abotchi.
Yes.
Abotchi. Intisisia. That's why you Abotchi. Intisisia wuti he. Yama akwenya say ko preach wo wa sorry platform so a. Eho ena obi a woni no apem twede Dr.
Bamia yam friend is on be preach was our platform so
me say platform na dia man was man
yam fan is on be preach also
yes maybe sao
it was
honorable asedu ketia no ye no ye de man so be preach ana ye de asedu ketia de no ye de man so be preach
there be the same opportunity, the same platform. Baako use ade for fail scriptures and baako so use e dey good ni mase.
Me da say. Abusuafo Sompa 106.5. Captain Biko Mamitio.
Yo, we say when enumguasia u say when you go enim asia na wo pekwa bi di nyansa kwa bi e da yes asem no enti saa
enumguasia be
enumguasia na chese du keta ho because enumdwa omudwa ye opposition time a omusu sanka omuma Ghana 40 say omuba bibia be ye na bibia be call 24 hour economy e na say no ba me akọ expose omo so what say anything no osedu kesia otimi ya no. And the best psychological to play the minds of Uncle the bar hono. Say, oh, me there, my ambassador, me baba, yes, say. But you need any more Ghana, ha? Say, when they invite you, when they invite a political figure to any program, no, they give you the opportunity to come and talk. And you can, but
opportunity now, you be mouse say be kasa no.
But Mahama video, I'll call church programmer or call your campaign.
Church program be ya.
Oh, masa ewa udi eba me boy ko say
ato cinema production na me
udi ba mami I say ebe
distract but
ebe disrupt but me tell say esi wo Ghana ha Rollins ye bi me nye politics enye newu Rollins ye bi Kufo ye bi all politicians they do. When they give you the opportunity to Ghana, invite Baomiano. Omu say Baomia, are opposition leader. And Omunim so opposition leader. So they invited him to come there. Do politics there. And say yes, opposition and Mukasa. They also invited you to come there to also come and talk so that they can also hear what you have to tell them. And Baomia was wise. Hey! What you say? Baumia was wise.
Baumia was very wise in saying those words.
Yes, because Dumsono, Abbas say no. I affect SDA for no.
I affect you.
And to say about the Eka, Dumsono mo fix it. Madam for NDC be our body, pick farm. Tama NDC, Tama bring it there. That's exactly who Osiamino. Osibiko. Say, I did see a Jacopo the money, Papa. Is that a doom some your boy, doom creep?
I did do some your
doom creep. Say now by Fumpa, Miss Anderson, yo. And to call them a cool 2024. Before I go to Abba, and then me say, and he said, your friend is saying, oh, your friend Alaji Tanko, or Tiemi says, oh, your friend Alaji Tanko. Me say, me say, do somebody, do somebody. Do somebody.
Maybe about but me area more that's all my fix. For about 5 days.
But say timetable by out say do so.
So timetable there by out no. ECG for crab abonte make us say nyom more.
Okay, very good. But Abakasa dia to me say can say that the Python said that they create and I be refi.
Kumasi dey no.
Python. Okay, I say be crash I say utia say enti omo ma ja to say dum so e dey. Ho. And Baumia any opportunity akọ SDA. SDA for no bo no so be breda dum so na chi omo. So utia say enti o show bu kura e no ka cho me say on ka bia ba omo. Say on ka bia ba omo say. Donc I say look at aba. Yan ka chen say dum so no mo fisi. Body better than Baumia.
Media me whom from so about me. Media to me. I am not supposed to judge, but to media. Media me whom from so about me.
But you make for 6,000. o ti ase sometime no na etu abo 3,000 why wo so betu abo 6,000 bo ba ye na mo de call 3,500 no pass about 2,500
but the BT Roger makes a point that your candidate is not able to discern between times and
no seasons. It is his view, but I'm telling you it was an appropriate time to go and mention it because SDF for the all the brain kafo koko kafo yo ebe wo team koko kafo pay so I can from 3,000 to 2,500 no affect you abo
that's it
you know say obo de aka mo na betua o ti ase enti what has Bamian done wrong? He was speaking the language of the people there koko kafo SDA above that dum so SDA mu so ya bi kafo SDA me abeti ha say me SDA ba me jehumi dadi o ti ase me to me SDA ba me jehumi dadi ba me chance me so at least what dem ka eto opportunity baby obenya bia say uton wasem and that's exactly what Dr. Babia had done. They said look at here he was just running away from the reality. Oh penya sakwa you know why say me was me ya oboa because
no no day but I said Nketia also thought say okoyi anu a na say program I invite your mobile no mo shift focus
no it's not about ultimately yano. The fact is that the point that Baumia raised the points that Baumia made were facts and reality. And to ukoyi anu a ona say look at na kasa wa okọ the tackle to wa kokọ chenko for say amama buy omen buy dey
Okana wahi.
Ay! Okaka say amafo ba be ka say u buy why separate onye pabo and enye no an ehye. Oba wakoka.
Na utie full video.
No show mu Christ.
Na no wa dey focus dem. Okaka sa chel.
Show mu Christ be ye. O dey say but okaye say ba ye nyemo ba ye de ama nkofo kwa ba be sire wo.
O de ye so
o
de me da
say mama ba ye omagwa aye de adisi ba ye bibia nkoye
biko ma me na wase biko me da say ebuja for SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country ma me can say time herbal mixture na wi omoso ya sere wenuma to a wontimi ndide hunam na ye wo ya wonya malaria fever wonya typhoid fever ebusuya wodura na aye time herbal mixture na time HH capsules and the mixture there enam nsa yade ekutia kese pa se o beba na wo dwunso na wo dwunso yiyawa bomodin nanom eye time herbal mixture na wo ba sisi wa himfi ho ma ho nye kuma bi na ho nye twetwetwam bomodin eye time herbal mixture and no way upe bi ato a bomodin na for we kire drugstore pharmacy shop bi e ben wo ana se upeswa na upesa only doctor kasa number is 0G444176669 0G444176669 na only doctor Tafrija Edin Komo maminka ebio say endpoint homeopathic clinic or see the end to chronic diseases Dr. Edubuating woye gigim Dr. Edubuating woye bruta just say yare kwankro bia no o anu edru say oni anu edru kra betumi to ase a o anu edru a ebetumi abrana se oba manage situation kama di amawo Dr. Edubuating say so wo obi a wonya yare boni bi no wakafie na nipa no ontimi nko ayasa bia de won say oye nyina anie bomoding na friend number we 0G44867068 02742 34321 me pacho beba wo paso wo ba enso so na den kwaboaro entimi enshutu ma kora emmemu oba paso fefro ni ma nche dan koye mawo ana bema bi wo ayefa be kapepio me pacho bomode na hwehwe endpoint homeopathic clinic wa wanya njujuye wa wanya stroke wa kampemu nyina no number no friend number ni bio 0G44867068 and now 02742 34321. Mamin Cow say endpoint homeopathic clinic. Obi Bisam say Dr. Dubuating cry he no on cry. Ha me pacho 10 year. Dr. Dubuating ne chia kwan ewo a Spain Test Road Shell signboard. So wo kumasi na wotie nga me pacho bo hu Dr. Dubuating ewo Kronum Abohia Again, reach him on 0244 867068. Now, I count, sir, at your 21st clinic for so a boy, Chidomo Nevi, sciatica originator, sciatica Nadia Kai. Ya de we, ya papa. Now, you say, what could you do? Some Batonian Tia Drobia so, Shannon so. Yes, sciatica nacho, Usrane Muya, Unana Muya, Sisinan Emuya, Tumpone Muya, Yano. Yadia no your friend is sciatica. Na 21st clinic nkuto ene wo ho ya ewo ho edru. Wonu no wakoye nsihweme hu se sa ya wo yade bi ke bo wiase a your friend is sciatica. Onu aso na pa ho edru. Unko be bia unya yaresa agi 21st clinic. Enkran ha wo mo central hill runabout. Tama wo mo Roman Catholic ason dan no omo Roman Catholic ason dan echi ho a. Kaso wo mo new market obuom kwan so kuma say omo here overseas. Here overseas, baby, a SOMPA FM, Sunyane, Bia Wabone Regional Hospital, first gate in the anymore. Omo office was Tachiman and Kransa Takwa de Efiekuman over 9 Texas station. Almost our offices nibi. I will breakum go so and a boise. Fred 21st clinic on 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. Antisabre ubetimia friend na mini wedding komo 0260 196064 0260 196065. Hello, good evening. Good evening. Okay. Hello, good evening.
Good evening. ABOTCHIE.
Yeah, so one a minute can say.
Bibi Aboko here.
Bibi Aboko, Wadama, Pacho one a minute can say.
Elios.
Okay. Okay, Elliot Bebese by NTO.
Obama Basu. Where's my pa, Moyegwa, Madagan? Mania, me Bob President Mama Basu, the Minister of Energy Basu. Because also it's here a consumer like Nation Nasu Accra. But first, the way license to a ban and I stop Accra and Bonabas. NDP for we are confused. We are confused. And then Dr. Baumia Wanukasa. Aka, Wanukasa. And I'm going to make you mother can afford to buy Tiamu. When you are here in Parliament, 8 people in Parliament. Because any Muzuma pastors, Mama, here, Ghana, and before that, Ghana for almost about President Mahama. If you President Mahama, research Ghana, you ever support President Mahama, research Ghana.
Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello,
good evening.
Yeah, me pacho about my one minute can say.
Unia paying a SOMPA mayor tema do they do?
Okay, do they do? I don't want pacho my inti why.
Prof, you mean me boa baso the way you are and your competency. That to media NDC MPP also NDC say NDC SOMPA also MPP say what is happening, my brother. To say from tomorrow going, find me a doctor. Because the service program, find me a doctor before you start a program. Thank you, Bisumba.
David Yabutra.
I need a doctor from you so that I will get access to listen to your program well. Because NDC, MPP, it's a
so that maybe Yabutra. So, who's program no? Also, many doctors to a hene Kasai. Utie.
Also, the program is here no. Misconduct. Wait. How do we understand what they are doing there? How do we understand them? Wait to say, understand them.
All right, me that's it. Right. Hello, good evening.
Hello, assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam ya ade. Akwe. Yeah, my minti. Oh, sudu kada say.
Baba ya mi. ABOTCHIE.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, the one from one to Akaka. And that a conference of Mabini. You say, Bank of Ghana and American NDC anymore. What is wrong about that? Ubayana can say, I think it's over the Bayern and maybe our mobile in Putina and maybe I'm not working. Now, where are we matter? Then, I was think I'll bet things that we are over the can
I know what I say and to pass through. And I think any I said, don't get me. Say, I invite you about it. In Kapoy, I said, okay, what up can for you? Not catch up there. Yamada, every person in Yasin and go to win. And to say me back, when you win, I mean, and you might be some in a time, not a number one. But I won't now, who go for NBC. Sema bate akwambe na small for all public social net that's the way of yes of compare na dey I think now become we are 2 years back matter but we are no campaign or political figure I'm for the piano okay we are no right
hello, good evening.
Good evening, Panikete.
Yeah, but one of the Wadaroma.
Me pacho Frank Nero ni o do mi meyo.
Okay, Frank Nero, Wadaroma pacho ma inti oi.
Numere ma mi fa election na mi tia policy commission CEO. Mr. Brown, that do CEO.
Midas.
Sumpa radio, ene Sumpa TV ni agro.
Yeti.
Na mi tia honorable Francis Obeng, time deputy organizer. Share papa Panekuma or your Brun Richie or
yo, yet you.
Common to one because was students or yeah, so. Dear Dr. Baumia Koyeno and go for it did a TM one
I didn't try.
Bible say there is time for everything. Linia, you're politics. What when you're I'm not sorry on getting part don't wait at me to after. The cat accept papa, your mouth, platforms in the customer. Oh, by ya, everybody, I pay it. Where did you ever use you? Catch up and say, I can for say, Omoka. And then make us say, you could so GMPP, executive, Omonico, that we are for Ethica, and what's over slip, Omonico, we are for Sika, and put that there's Omukia, for yet to switch job, Omomidi free Hako, Amanonia, yet to chop. And before more than who and a map could because
Maminda was it. Hello, good evening.
Prof, good evening.
The Pacho Dini baby Alcasa free. Abdullah Tema, what am I Pachoma in TOI?
Prof, that's a Yaman age my power, and you are big phone some bag my phone.
Yeah, that's it.
Prof, Ghana did the Akasa and penny for you. Sometimes I are not called Mukakra.
I didn't say
I can see. Share Obi and the program solid more solid team or mine. Not say a fair one. Not saying what could just say government test me up, some what could now walk. Now, nature so ye found she has it at the Siana say, Casa did a papa when ye, now you know, position parties here, one so steady and man I am a yoke. But sometimes wrong. Yeah, my pay for something to make us